Hey guys, Ready Dog here. I want to show you something I just got in from a brand. There's the brand name right there. Very cool. Bellifu. And what these guys do is build a TENS unit. Oh my gosh. And I just had shoulder surgery back in June. And my left shoulder, I'm left-handed, so I get a lot of use of my left shoulder. And you can see here, I've got these pads on here. Oh my gosh, this thing feels so good. You have two different channels, so you can not only hook this up to use two pads. I've got one on my rear of my shoulder and one in the front. And oh, these things feel so good. And you can turn up the, I don't know if you can see the way they're making my muscle jump and pulse through there. It's going really deep into my shoulder muscle, into my joint here, into these muscles. Because this shoulder, man, woo! I'm still, in therapy to try and get this shoulder done, but this thing really helps. And you can, oh, woo! It's making my shoulder jump pretty good. You seeing that? I don't know if you guys can see it. See it? How it's making my shoulder jump? Oh, and it's pulsing. Oh, God, it feels good. Really getting a deep tissue massage in this shoulder. I really needed it too because this shoulder is bugging me. Here's the display. Really works good. And has the controller so you can turn down the intensity. It also has, you can put a whole nother set of pads on another area if you want. This also has a belt clip, so you can wear this on your clip and it slides out of this little thing very easily. If you need to, you can pull this out and slide this out and adjust. Got all your adjustments down here. You've got your way to see what you're doing up here. I've turned the intensity down on this because, man, this thing really gets after it. You can turn the intensity up. Woo! And you can really feel it. It really feels good. Really deep tissue. Also, they give you several different cords here. And they give you several different types of pads. I've got 4 different sizes of pads. And these are the kind that they have these, so you can reuse these over and over again. They have this plastic that goes on the back of it, so it sticks down to your muscle. And man, guys, I'm telling you, this thing is really, oh, it feels good. I've got it pulsing. It really gets down deep in that muscle. They also give you a quick start guide, very simple thing to follow. I set this up within 5 minutes I was using it, so it's very simple to set up. They also give you a pretty good little booklet that goes in more detail about it. But and they give you this nice little case. Here's your other leads right there. And they also give you this nice little case to move it, to take it, to travel with. Very cool. Keeps all your pads and everything, all your little gizmos inside here behind this little mesh panel. And you can put this thing in the other side. See there? And take it with you. It's a nice zipper case. Very cool. Anyway, guys, neat product. Golly, I'm going to sit here and enjoy this. Oh, it feels good. Anyway, there's the company name again. You guys check them out, okay? It's a great product. Really works good. A lot of these don't have a real high intensity, but this one, wow, it really works good. All right, guys, that's what I know. You guys have a good one. There's the company name.